Hello, good morning, all of you. This is the part 6 of human reproduction. Okay, in this part, we are going to learn epididymis. Epididymis is the long, narrow, and highly coiled duct. Narrow and highly coiled. Okay, narrow and highly coiled duct. Next, where is it lies? Backside or posterior side of the testis, like rete testis. What type of epithelium is present in it? Very important one. Pseudo stratified non-ciliated epithelium. Stereocilia are present here. Not non-ciliated but stereocilia are present. Epithelium consists of pseudo stratified non-ciliated columnar epithelium, and same as in vasa differentia, and secrete nutrients for the maturation of sperms. It provides space and time for the maturation of the sperm. Secrete nutrients for the maturation of sperm and provide space and time for the maturation of sperms, and it is differentiated at three parts. You can see here. One is, what is this one? Caput head part. Next one is corpus means body, corpus luteum yellow body. Cauda means the tail. Chordata are one of the order in the class Amphibia. Chordates are urodid. Okay, corpus epididymis corpus or caput epididymis. Caput, we keep cap on the head. This is the head part. Corpus body part, and this is the tail part. Okay, caput, this is the anterior part of the epididymis, and many vasa efferentia open into this part. Many vasa efferentia you can see here. This is vasa efferentia. Many vasa efferentia are opening into this caput epididymis. Next, middle part is corpus. Third part is cauda. Cauda epididymis is the posterior part, and vasa differentia. Okay, you can see here from this part. What is this one? Cauda. From this part, what part arises here? Vas differens. Plural word vasa differentia. Okay, vasa differentia arise from it. And gubernaculum attached with the cauda epididymis. Gubernaculum is a fibrous cord which is attached. Okay, gubernaculum is attached with the cauda epididymis. Next, when vasa efferentia are blocked, what happens? It was asked in the previous exams. Okay, when vasa efferentia are blocked, if these are blocked, sperms do not come to this part. Which part? Epididymis. Okay, sperms cannot enter into the epididymis from the what is this one? Rete testis. And what is this one? Okay, vasa efferentia. What is this one? Caput epididymis. If it is blocked, sperms cannot go from rete testis to caput epididymis. Next one, vasa differentia. Vasa differentia or vas difference, singular word, is sperm duct, narrow, long, muscular duct. LMN. L, long, narrow, muscular duct. Okay, it arises from the cauda. It arises from the cauda epididymis, and it passes through the inguinal canal, enters into the abdominal cavity. Okay, earlier we learnt it passes through in the spermatic cord. It is one of the part. It enters into the abdominal cavity and forms the loop over the urinary bladder. Okay, you can see in this figure here. Okay, it passes through the inguinal canal, enters into the abdominal cavity and forms a loop over. It formed a loop, Henle's loop, like that. It formed a loop over the urinary bladder. It formed a loop over the urinary bladder. And what type of epithelium is present? What type of connective tissue is present? What type of muscle is present? You learned epithelial tissue, connective tissue, muscular tissue, nervous tissue. What type of epithelium is present here? Pseudo-stratified non-ciliated columnar epithelium, as in epididymis. Connective tissue is a lamina propria and areolar connective tissue. Muscles here, smooth muscles are present here. What is the function of this one? Transportation of sperm only into the ejaculatory duct. It is transporting sperm. It is, you can observe here, this is this one. It is transporting sperms to, what is this one? Ejaculatory duct. It is transporting sperms to ejaculatory duct. Here there is a swollen part. This is called ampulla. And function transportation of sperms only to the ejaculated duct. Ampulla, the swollen chamber of the vas deferens. Okay, it stores the sperm. Storage of sperms occurs here. Vasectomy application bit here. The clipping of or cutting of and tying of vasa deferens is called vasectomy. Prevents sperm transfer or transportation. Vasectomized patient semen. Vasectomized patient semen is without sperms. Semen is equal seminal plasma plus sperm. If a person is vasectomized, okay, in his semen what are absent? Sperms are absent. What is present? Seminal plasma is present.